I'd like to mention some more oscilloscope settings. Here on the menu button, you can always turn on or off your signal. If we go ahead and turn it back on, we can see some further settings for our signal here. At the very top, we see a setting for AC or DC coupled. For our purposes, let's keep it on DC. And you can always set your options with the multi-purpose knob. Then there's these volts per division. It can be set to coarse or fine. Coarse is usually good for our purposes. An important setting here is the probe attenuation. You can set it to multiple times, but let's keep it at 1x. And make sure to keep your signal not inverted.